Now, beating of Tom Tom has become a regular activity in the kingdom. A poor farmer Suresh also hears the announcement. Suresh is hardworking and intelligent. He somehow understands the real cause of the king's illness. He chalks out a plan and prepares to cure the king. So every day there was a beating of Tom Tom, and there was a poor farmer named Suresh. He heard the announcement, and then Suresh was a hardworking and intelligent person, so he understood the real cause of king's illness, and that is why he has made a plan to prepare to cure the king. He stops shaving his mustache and beard. When his uncut beard and mustache grow long, he goes straight to the royal court. Now he looked like an experienced doctor. After saluting, he says, "Your Excellency, I have come here after knowing everything. I am not an ordinary doctor. You may call me the kings of the doctors." So in this paragraph we can understand that Suresh was a farmer. As soon as he come to know the king's illness, he understood each and everything, and then he has grown up his mustache and beard. Now he was looking like an experienced doctor. Then he went to the king and he told to the king that I know each and everything and I know how to cure you. So I am the very well experienced doctor, and you can call me the king of the doctors. The king allows him to start treating him. Suresh bows before the king and says, "My lord, there is one condition. You have to do what I tell you to do, otherwise my medicine will not work." Now king told to him that you just start to treating me. Then Suresh has told to the king that, "My lord, there is one condition. Whatever I am telling to you to do, that you have to do, otherwise my medicine will not be work." There is no other alternative but to accept Suresh's condition. Suresh then tells the king what is to be done. It is as simple as to pluck 5 neem leaves every morning from a particular tree. This tree stands above 500 steps away from the main gate of the palace. There is another point to be kept in mind. One and only one neem leaf is to be plucked at the time and is to be brought back to the main gate of the palace and chewed. In this fashion, 5 neem leaves are to be plucked and chewed daily for 30 days without any break in between. This has to be done, or this has to be performed by the king himself and not by anyone else. Now Suresh told to the king that there is a neem tree. It is about 500 steps away from the gate of our palace. You have to go there with the neem tree and you have to pluck one by one 5 neem leaves. Then you have to come back to the gate of our palace, and then you have to eat, and again you have to go to the neem tree, and again you have to come with the neem leaf. Every day you have to pluck 5 neem trees like this, and you have to eat. You have to do this for 30 days without anybody's help. Now answer orally. Do you think Suresh's treatment will help the king get better? To save his life, the king starts following Suresh's advice, but it is too difficult for the king to follow the instructions in toto. On the very first day, he somehow walks down to the neem tree, but not without the help of a dozen royal attendants, and pulls down a leaf. After coming back to the main gate, the palace, he sleep for whole day. Then next day, Suresh comes and gets the report. However, he encourages the king to continue the treatment. The same incident is repeated by the following days. As days pass, the king finds that he is able to walk up to the tree on his own. Then he realizes that he is not so tired after returning from the tree. He now enjoys the walk to the tree and back from it. Now king has started the following the advice of Suresh. So first day, as he has woke up and as he wants to go to the neem tree, he has went there with the help of dozen royal attendants there. And as soon as he come back to the palace, he has slept for the whole day. And then in the next day, he has came. Next day, Suresh has came and he report all the things, and he encouraged our king, and the same incident has been repeated by the following days. And then as day passes, the king realizes that he can able to walk to the tree by his own, and then he also realizes that he is not so tired while returning from the tree. And afterwards, now he is enjoying the walk to the tree and back from it. After 15 days, the king feels much better. He appears to be somewhat slim. What a surprise! At the end of 30 days, the king can not only sit and stand up all by himself, but also walk. He is happy that Suresh has made him realize the importance of exercise and the illness of overeating. As promised, the king gives him a bag full of diamonds and jewelry to Suresh. Suresh returns home a rich and a famous man. Everyone in the village is happy. So in this paragraph we can understand that after 15 days the king feels much better, and then slowly and gradually he was becoming somehow slim, and he was surprised that he can walk without anybody's help. And after 30 days he was totally cured. So he was happy. So he called Suresh and he thanked to Suresh for realizing him the importance of exercise and illness of overeating. Then he has given a bag full of diamonds and jewelry to Suresh, and Suresh reached at home with a famous person, and everyone was happy in the village. I have a question to ask you. The king has understood the importance of exercise. He has stopped using his horse carriage and has started walking his subjects to walk most distance. Can we do the same? So moral of the chapter is exercise is very important for our health. Thank you.